So let's understand why one needs to learn fast instead of learning slowly if they really know that they want to become a professional artist at some point of time. So this is scenario 1, and here the artist wants to learn slowly and with no urgency. Since there is no urgency and this person is not expecting a very high result, this person is going to think about learning by themselves and will start creating a painting without any direction, and will create the first painting. May not be a good painting, and it is called as a non-sellable painting. Why a non-sellable painting? Because this person is painting without an intention. This person is not having any urgency, will try to do all by themselves and will create a simple one and then share on social media. This person will also share with their friends and family members, and just to encourage this person, the friends and family member will say, wow, this painting is looking wonderful. And maybe on social media also this person will get a lot of comments and will feel good. Now this person will feel that, wow, I can create some painting and share on social media and can get comments. So the entire idea will be to get comments on social media, and from friends and family members will create another painting in a hurry to get some praises, right? And this also will be a non-sellable painting and will share on social media. Now soon this artist will keep on creating non-sellable painting one after another, a lot of non-sellable painting, and their friends and family member will think that this person does not know how to do a good job. They will not have a very high expectation, and since a lot of non-sellable paintings are getting posted on social media, it is going to create a bad reputation. Also, this person is creating a low expectation. Now, this will continue for 2 to 7 years. Now, why 2 to 7 years? Because if this person is trying to learn painting all by themselves, at least the person will take 2 years or so. And if the person is not having any urgency to become a professional artist, this person will most likely have a very slow improvement curve and will take several years to become a confident artist. Now, by a lot many years, this person is creating a high quality painting. But then by this time, maybe this person has tried to sell a few non-sellable paintings and have failed to sell, and also created bad reputation and low expectation. And therefore, even if this person wants to become a professional artist, maybe the friends and family members will not support them or discourage them to become a professional artist. If the person is even trying to sell a high quality painting after several years, people will not have a very good expectation from this artist and will feel that, okay, by chance this person has made a good painting, so not worth a lot of money, right? Now, do you think in this scenario this person will feel very proud and very fulfilled to create a bunch of non-sellable paintings? No, definitely not. And therefore this person will keep on delaying the process of starting to become professional. Have you understood this? Okay, now let's understand the second scenario. This person has got a very high urgency and think that, okay, I want to become a professional artist as fast as possible and want to learn watercolors fast. Okay, this is true for any other medium. And now this person, since has got a very high expectation and very high amount of urgency, this person is going to learn from a professional. Okay. Now, since this person is learning from a high grade professional who knows how to teach and how to help learning watercolors, this person is going to create the very first painting, which is a high quality sellable painting. Okay. And since the very first painting itself is high quality sellable painting, this person, when will post on social media, will get a lot of praises, and this person will feel very achieved and very fulfilled and feel very proud. And do you think that such a person will create the second painting as low quality? Never. This person will keep on creating very high quality, professional looking, sellable painting and post on social media. High quality sellable painting. Now, very soon this person will create a bunch of high quality sellable paintings within a very short amount of time, because this person is getting professional level guidance, and all this is not going in waste. This is called as a portfolio. Okay. And since this person is sharing continuously on social media, it will create high expectation. Also will create good reputation. Okay, so if a person is painting very high quality in the very first painting itself, this person is going to paint a lot of good quality paintings only, and this is not going in drain, whereas all this is going in drain. These are all non-sellable paintings. There are a lot of people who think that by learning to paint from a professional, this person is going to pay more. I will prove this wrong. This is totally wrong. Why? Because this person is investing 2 to 7 years and not earning. Whereas this person is investing a few weeks or at the most a year and creating a portfolio, and a portfolio is consisting of all sellable painting. So this is an investment. Whatever the person is investing time, money, efforts, this is an investment. It is not going in drain. Whereas this person is investing so much of time, but it is going in drain because all are non-sellable paintings. Is that clear? Right? Now what about the money part? Do you think 100 of painting papers, paints, brushes, these are not going to cost this person? Definitely it is going to cost this person. Here also it will cost, but the thing is, here this person is creating a portfolio. Here there is no portfolio. On top of this, the person is feeling demotivated, depressed, unfulfilled, discouraged, lack of confidence. Do you think this is not going to impact this person's professional career in the future? Definitely it is going to impact. On this hand, when learning from a professional, this person is feeling confident and is creating portfolio, so feeling achieved, fulfilled, right? And is having a lot of self-worth, right? Okay, so this person is winning, this person is losing on a heavy basis in both time, money, as well as in efforts. It only seems that this person is paying to the mentor for learning, but on a long time basis this person is paying very less and this person is paying very high. Even if this person is investing 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 US dollars for learning, then also this portfolio is definitely worth. Whereas 2 to 7 years in drain, it is definitely not worth. Just imagine, your life is limited.